Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Genuinely Intellectual. Thank you so much for stopping by. So today we are going to quickly discuss about numbers. Now numbers, there are so many different types of numbers. Today I'm going to tell you the difference between different types of numbers and how the different numbers in this world can be categorized into different categories. The first type of numbers are real numbers. All the numbers in this world are real numbers provided they are easily plotted on a number line. Now when I talk about number line, I mean to say the real axis, the x and y axis. If the numbers can be plotted on the real x and y axis, then the numbers are real numbers. So all the positive numbers, negative numbers, decimals, fractions, irrational, rational numbers, they all come under the category of real numbers. Next are natural numbers. All the positive numbers starting from 1 are natural numbers. They do not contain any negative numbers. They are just positive numbers starting from number 1. Now they also do not contain any decimals or any fractions. So the range is 1 to infinity. Numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 till infinity. Whole numbers are the numbers which start from 0. So all the positive natural numbers along with 0 are known as whole numbers. All the positive numbers 1 to infinity and 0, they basically form whole numbers. Next we talk about integers. Integers are the numbers which do not contain any decimals or any fractions. So no roots, no decimals, no fractions are involved in integers. Integers are full numbers like -3, -8, 8, 16, 14, 100, 9000. All these numbers are integers. There should be no decimal in an integer. Next type of numbers are rational numbers. Rational numbers are numbers that can be expressed in the form of p by q, where q is not equal to 0. Next is irrational numbers. Irrational numbers are numbers like √2, √3, √4. Sorry, not √4, √2, √3, √5, √6, √7, etc. etc. The numbers which cannot be expressed in the form of a proper fraction are known as irrational numbers. Next, we talk about prime and composite numbers. Prime numbers are the numbers which do not have any factors except the number and 1. For example, 11, 7, 19. Now, these numbers do not have any factors except 1 or the number themselves. Composite numbers are the numbers which have a lot of factors. For example, if I write the number 120. Now, 120 can be divided by 2. It can be divided by 3, 6, 4, 10, 12. So it has so many different factors. Normally we categorize a composite number in the form of prime factors. So whenever I write 120, the factors of 120 can be written like this. We cannot write 12 and 10 because 12 can further be broken down into 2 times 3 times 2, and 10 can further be broken down into 2 times 5. So we normally break the composite numbers in the form of prime factors. Then even and odd number, I think most of you know about this. Even numbers are the numbers which are divisible by 2. Odd numbers are the numbers which are not divisible by 2. Next type of numbers are imaginary numbers. Now imaginary numbers are also known as complex numbers. I have seen various people getting confused with what imaginary numbers are. Imaginary numbers are the numbers which cannot be plotted on the real x and y axis. Now these are the numbers which do not exist in the real world. For example, if I say something like under root of -9. Do you think there is any such number as under root of -9? No. Why? Because square of 3 is going to give you 9. Square of -3 is also going to give you 9. So there is no such thing as under root of -9. Therefore, it is an imaginary number. Imaginary numbers are complex numbers which cannot be plotted on the real x and y axis. They are plotted on a separate axis which is an imaginary axis. So, I hope things were clear for you. Just one more thing I wanted to highlight. If I have written something like under root of -9, it can be written as 3i, where i represents under root of -1. So under root of -9 can be broken down as under root of 9 times of -1. So under root of -1 is written as I, which is known as iota, and also represents imaginary. And under root of 9 is obviously 3. So our answer is 3i in this case. But this is not complex number session. So I'm going to discuss complex numbers into a different session, into a different lecture. I hope you enjoyed this video and now concepts were pretty clear with you. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. I'll see you in the next session. Bye.